Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to give you guys some meal prep ideas and some healthy snacks. So if you guys want to keep on watching, I will show you guys how I made all these. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take some coconut oil and I'm going to take about, I don't know, like a spoonful. And I'm also going to take some chicken. This is just some tenderloins, and place that right on the skillet. Taking some Mrs. Dash and placing that all over the chicken. This is just the original blend. And I'm also going to take some garlic powder. Not too much, just a little bit of this. And just a little bit of salt. I have this cooking in coconut oil, and that is the healthiest option. And I'm just going to make sure everything gets nice and cooked. While that's going, I'm going to start the broccoli, and I have a strainer right here. You're going to fill up until it meets the water up to the strainer, and then you're going to put all of your broccoli in there. I'm taking a head of broccoli, I'm going to rinse it off, and I'm going to cut up into small pieces. Broccoli is my favorite, so I'm going to do both. So this is what the broccoli looks like. I have it in a strainer with the water until it meets the strainer. This is going to steam, and you're going to let this steam until you get the right texture that you want. I typically like mine to be pretty soft, so do whatever you like best, but I'm going to have that going. I already flipped the chicken. Everything's cooking really nice. So while all that's going, I'm going to season this with some garlic powder as well. I'm going to take another little skillet, and I'm going to take our mushrooms and turning this on a medium temperature. As my seasoning, I'm going to take some soy sauce and drizzle this to prep some peppers. Now, I like to have peppers just handy if I get hungry throughout the day. I could snack on these. So I'm just going to cut these up into thin slices.
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
I'm going to take a handful and just put them in some saran wrap for the week. So these are perfect little on-the-go bags for whenever you are hungry and you need a snack on something, but you don't want to run through the, drive-through or anything. It's just an easy, quick snack to go for whenever you are hungry and you're dieting. I have the chicken going. It is pretty much about done. The broccoli is almost done as well. We have the mushrooms cooking and sauteing, and I have brown rice in the microwave. And then I will show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do is grab a few containers. I like these ones because they have the divider in the middle, so I don't like my food touching. It's a really big pet peeve of mine. I don't know why exactly. I have learned that I do not like my food touching, so the divider really helps. Now I have in the first 3 containers brown rice, chicken, and broccoli. Now I do like a half cup of rice. I just don't really measure out my chicken, but I would say probably like 4 ounces. And then in the back I have the half cup brown rice, chicken, and then I have roasted red peppers and mushrooms. Now I use coconut oil for everything that I prepare my food with. Now that's just a preference, you don't have to do that, but I notice it gives it a good taste and it's pretty beneficial for your health. I picked these containers up at the Dollar General, and I really like them just because I said they have that really nice divider, and it is good. It's a good size. It gives you just the right amount. I also wanted to give you a few snack ideas as well. So I pick up the Light and Fit yogurts. Now, if you are hungry, these are a really good choice to snack on. They only have 70 calories and it's something sweet. So after I eat something really salty, I always have like a sweet craving. So this is like my #1 choice. Also, I picked up some oranges. A good sweet tooth craving as well. You guys saw me cutting up the peppers. These are a really good snack too. Quick and easy, don't take up much room, throw them in your purse and snack on them throughout the day. So I wanted to give you guys more of a lifestyle video of what I do. I am looking to shred about like 10 pounds over the next month or 2 months, depending on how quickly I can shred. I will keep you guys updated, but this is just an overview of the food that I picked up. Like I said, you can either do like 6 days or you can do like 3 days lunch and dinner, just depending. I really like to give up a different option for veggies so you don't get sick of it, but I either will just eat this on the go as like a lunch, or I can do like a lunch and dinner. So whatever's best for you. So a lot of people don't have time to cook dinner whenever they get home, so I will probably save these for lunchtime meals. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little meal prep video for you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.